Back again.
Back again. Welcome back, y'all. Okay. So, per usual, a bitch ain't ate. For today's menu, we have Zaxby's. Yes, I spun the block on their ass. And listen, got a lot of shit. Well, not even a lot of shit, but I got a couple items. I feel like for me to fuck with they pickles as much as I do, and I haven't eaten them in a while, I feel like it's blasphemous. So, let's let y'all see. Hold on. Got they pickles. I got the wings and things because that's like the go-to for me. And I've been really craving wings. It was either this or Wingstop, but I was like, I don't feel like waiting an hour. And Zaxby's right. Sorry, I'm salivating. Zaxby's is like right there. You know it's good when you try to bite your own motherfucking lip. But yeah. Haven't had them in a minute. Don't start already, bitch. But yeah, I'm rude as hell. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Hope y'all day going good so far. If you're on your break, getting lunch or whatever. Per usual, comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you're eating. Tell me what the tea is. Give a bitch some ideas. But if it ain't going so well, bitch, if the hoes talking, if they come
today, Junior.
If the hoes come with their bullshit already in 2023, bitch, fuck them. Fuck them, cause we ain't doing that 2023. Not this year. Sorry for any background noise y'all may hear. I got the windows cracked because it's, as you can see, a bitch is sweating. So hey, gleamy than a bitch. It's giving these fried ass pickles for the bevy. I got Sprite, but it's a tad dirty. It's a tad dirty. Come back to her. Let y'all get into the motherfucking plate or whatever. Oh, they didn't give me. Yes, I did. Thought they didn't give me my motherfucking ranch. I was gonna be mad as hell. But yeah, hold on.
I will always love you.
But yeah, I was gonna be madder than a bitch if they didn't give me my ranch. Cause I told them give me like extra nuclear sauce on the side. Spoiler alert, these are the wings are covered in nuclear sauce, cause like me and my body be going edit, like I be swearing and preaching self-love and everything, but I feel like my actions don't really say that. Like last night I had Taco Bell and let's just say me and that bitch got to fighting this morning. I'm talking about like round after round. Shit, I finally tapped out after round 4 of the bathroom. Cause I was like, bitch, I'm not finna keep shitting my insides out. I have not drinking no water yet. And I'm dehydrated, so I'm over. So we just gonna have to be full of shit today. That, and this is kind of like my cheat meal because I've been kind of trying to bulk lately at the gym. And I've been going pretty ham at the gym. Shout out my damn, I'm high. Shout out my Clinton. I saw him at the gym today. He actually watched the videos. I did not expect that. I feel like he went like my what do you call them people? My demographic. That's the word I'm looking for. I feel like he wasn't my demographic because he's a straight, but but he's one of the good ones. Shout out my nigga Clinton. Can y'all lock y'all's doors like regular? Or just hit the motherfucking lock or the button. I forgot everybody can't be a rich bitch like me. I ain't got the button on the. Y'all know about the motherfucking button on the whip.
Wait a minute.
I barely have motherfucking deodorant. That's how old this slums and how damn bad the bitch is. I was hot as hell on this bitch. I ain't gonna cap to you. I don't know why I always do that motion. It's just the go-to. It's just like, we eating good food, certain shit that's come out of you. Some people moan, some people dance, some people just like, completely silent. I'm all 3 of those people. I don't really fuck with Zax sauce, but if it's included, it's included. Love a place where you can literally just see the fucking seasoning. Like, still don't hold the candle to my bitch Huey. Yes, at this point, I'm just gonna mention Huey Magoo in every video until I get a sponsorship. Cause bitch, that is my ride or die. Like, if I had the gas to travel and go get it, I would've.
Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Get him black. Get him black. Get him black.
I'm gonna get to the wings. Oh, you know, I was gonna go in naked first and then we're gonna get sauced up. You know you're a foodie when you chase your wing with a chicken tonight. But yeah, get into the ranch and we went to nuclear sauce combo. Mm. 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 Ooh-wee. Shit. Girl, this motherfucking plate fucking me up. I ain't gonna cap to you. You see your eyes getting low, bitch. I ain't smoked out of nothing. I be in a food house for real. Mm. Oh, these fries get soggy. I feel like I got. I feel like I can't even talk, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. I think I was eating more of my eyes and not my stomach. And this is a lot of fried food. This is gonna be real. I never get abs for real. In my best, I bitch can get a cool faux pack. A cool faux. Yeah, them fries are wet. But Clean Plate Club, mission accomplished. Queen, not today. The Clean Plate Club captain has fucking, y'all know what the fuck I'm trying to say. I ate it all hell. I'm over here trying to be official with this shit, bitch. I'm done. I'm done eating. Thank y'all for eating with a bitch. Per usual, if you're on your break and you got tea, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Cause I'm nosy as fuck. Ooh, let's start our own little group chat about everybody's tea at work. Cause I want to know it all, bitch. If you comment some tea on it, I'ma send you like a what's the name, and we're gonna start a group chat. But yeah, if you stay with a bitch this long, thank you. Like, subscribe, noti bell, all that other type of shit. Definitely coming back with more motherfucking videos, and we definitely gonna try to be consistent, this motherfucking year. But you know, life be happening. But there ain't no excuse. But yeah, thank y'all. I'm gonna keep saying it to the motherfucking moon and backwards. And I hope y'all have a blessed motherfucking day. Boy. Turn this motherfucking air on, bitch. I'm hot as hell. Thighs greasy.